This is a crazy part. I have to go that way. What a weird country. You have a U-turn at the highway. Can you believe it? U-turn at the highway, and it goes to the fastest lane. So you have to be prepared for that. Anyway, never mind. I'm just gonna make it short. So I don't have any memory left. Right now is a Christmas Eve, sort of, kind of. It's not an evening or something, but it is Christmas Eve. So let's see what the hell is going on in this Armenian neighborhood. I'm just curious, doing this for nothing. Look at that. The pollution is as hell as possible. I can't go in downtown or someplace like that, so this is gonna be like I'm not interested in Armenian or whatever, just because the downtown is fucked up right now. You can't possibly go to the downtown or film anything. So let's see what the hell is going on here. I'm just gonna be quick. So get in and get out, get in and get out. Do it fast. And I have a easy cardboard box with me. It's gonna carry in my food or whatever I'm gonna shop later on. That was some fast chat. Anyway, so let's see if we could just get in and get out and see what the hell is going on. The Armenian Christmas is just different than I mean the Catholics or other types. I forgot. Never mind. Every time I'm gonna get in the bike, it's just I'm nervous as hell. So never mind my rambling. I'm just I have to watch out for many things. This is one unique two-stroke bike. So let's see. There's nothing going on here, nothing going on over there. Is there anyone here? It's not. What the fuck is going on? I don't understand this neighborhoods. They're really tricky, man. They're always changing, and they have too many side back streets or whatever. So let's see, what do we have? Nothing. So far, nothing. Oh, the battery is going to dead. My memory is just dying. Give me something to watch, something to eat. Whatever the fuck is going on here. There's nothing here, nothing. I think I missed it. Let's go to other side. Is there any way? Yeah. Oh, for fuck's sake. Don't be stuck in the middle of somewhere. Cucumbers. Iranian cucumbers are weird. Sorry if you're watching my... Oh, there's a mosque. So when there's a mosque, it means I have to go to the left. Let's see if I could. There's this one. Oh. Yes, I can smell the Armenian coffee, which was a barbecue. Yeah, there is some Christmas tree, some Christmas decoration. I don't mind filming right now because, you know, I passed the law, so who the fuck cares? Yeah, this is always looks weird for how it's close to the, you know, Christmas. It's just like 10 hours later. It would be the you know, it's not a new year, but let's say if there is a time of the day for that, it would be like that. So what do we have? Oh, for fuck's sake, there's a cop. I almost fucked myself with the camera and publicly filming. That was so fucked up, man. Go fuck yourself, cop. Go, please. So what do we have? Nothing going on here. There's nothing, seriously. I mean, that's so fucked up. So that is the gown, the Christmassy gown thingy. There's something here, there's something over there, and that is that. So that is pretty much it. So thanks for watching. There's nothing going on. Sorry about that. It's supposed to be like cheerful or whatever, or who knows, but it's just decoration. And if you're fancy of the fucking your husband or boyfriend or whatever tonight, there's a gown over there. They're selling a gown. You could buy that gown, have it. I don't know what are we going to do with that, but it is, I mean, there's some thoughts, because in this country it's so isolated. If, like this camera, I couldn't find a battery for that. So if there is something here like that unique Christmas gown, so you have to appreciate it. Like, it is so unique, it's so weird to even find one of those. Fucking piece of shit. So to even have that possibility of finding these kinds of things, things here, you have to appreciate it and just take it as a, you know, whatever. Just go with it. Never mind. I'm so busy looking and be careful in at the same time, and looking for if there is something interesting. There's nothing going on. This is the Armenian school. No, it's not. This is Islamic. And there is a coffee. The coffee, Iranian. Look at that. I could just put it as a thumbnail. So these are unique to find. So the coffee, The coffee is supposed to be Arabic or the Islamic or whatever, because it drags from the Islamic heritage, which the Muslim brings that to the Turkish region, and Turkish bring it back to the Armenian, and the Armenian took it and bring that during the war to the Iran with themselves, so they would have something to drink. And but the Iranian, after the invasion of the British invasion, British and the German and the Russian at the same time invading Iran, so they bring that British Earl Grey whatever tea to the Iranian culture. So Iranian drink trees, but they're supposed to drink different things. I mean, if they actually care, I mean, as Muslims, they have to drink coffee, but they're not drinking coffee, and the coffee comes from the qahweh, the Arabic name for that. So everything is just very weird. It becomes types of Christianity things. So if you're drinking coffee here, it's just kind of weird. If you're not posh, if you're not rich, it just means you're kind of you're not Muslim-ish thinky person. If you're conservative, you're not gonna drink coffee. It is a thing, it's weird and whatever, never mind. So Merry Christmas or whatever you're celebrating, who the hell cares? It's just being happy or having fun. The world is fucked up, especially these days. Goodbye.